Your spoken guru Ruchika welcome you to a new learning experience in this quarantine period. Kids, I promise you that our today's lesson will be very enriching and entertaining for you all. And in this lesson, I'm going to share with you 10 English words that you are probably mispronouncing. And these words that I have chosen are difficult because of the combination of letters or sounds. But don't worry about it. We are going to fix it right here, right now in this video. So let's get started. Okay, the first word is vegetable. Now this word is a challenge because it looks like there should be 4 syllables in this word. Vegetable. But there's not. There are 3 syllables. Vegetable. Vegetable. I'm going to the market to get some vegetables for the dinner. Okay, now the second word is comfortable. Now this word, just like vegetable, has an extra sound that we don't need to pronounce. It's comfortable. Comfortable, not comfortable or comfortable. It's comfortable. Comfortable. These shoes are not comfortable for walking. The third word is almond. Now, in this word, the L is silent. It's not almond or almond, it's almond. It's almond. I'm going to make an almond cake for the dessert. Now, students, one more word which is wrongly pronounced and it is very common also. How you will pronounce it? Is it restaurant? No, that's wrong. It is not restaurant, it is restaurant. Yes, it is restaurant. That restaurant serves quite delicious food. Okay, tell me, what you have the first thing in the morning? Is that breakfast or breakfast? It is a very commonly used word and very commonly and easily mispronounced as well. Now here, break turns break. It is not break, it is break. And the next thing is fast. It is not fast, it shortens up and become first. So now this word is not breakfast, it is breakfast. So the first thing that you have in the morning is a breakfast and not breakfast. I had a piece of toast for breakfast. Another one that I have for you is pizza. Yes, the super amazing pizza. The delicious cheesy pizza. Now many people pronounce it as pizza or pizza. So these are all incorrect pronunciations. The correct way to pronounce it is pizza. Why don't we go out for pizza tonight? Alright. What you have when you go to a restaurant at the end of your meal? Is this a dessert or dessert? Well, when it comes to the sweet dish that you have at the end of your meal, it is called dessert, not dessert. It is dessert. After dinner, we had ice cream for dessert. Next one over here is garbage. You have seen the garbage. We got it a lot in our society also. The trick in the pronunciation of this word is, first of all, remove the r sound. Then after that, remove the h sound. It is not beige, it's bitch. So simply it becomes garbage. It becomes garbage. So whenever you see garbage in future, it is not garbage, it is garbage. Garbage pollutes our rivers and streams. Well kids, today I want to know whether you know how to pronounce this word I-R-O-N. I'm speaking about this tool. Is it iron? No, it is not iron, it's iron. Yes, it's iron. Just don't focus on that r sound. I was asked to iron my crushed shirt. Just simple as that, iron, not iron. Okay, what about this word? How many times have you been asked to read a paragraph aloud in front of the whole class? And you've been reading and coming across this word and thinking how I'm going to say it. Most of you pronounce it like etc. or etc. But actually it is etc. etc. or etc. Bring apples, oranges, milk, etc. while coming home. So today we learned 10 most common words that people tend to mispronounce. Now you know what's the correct pronunciation. So go ahead, do not make a mistake, and if someone else is making mistake, please do try to correct them. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe.